Hello, мене Žiga, and this is the number 2 of our instructional handgun videos. It is about adaptive stance. So let's talk about stance. There are so many ways in how you can stand while shooting a gun that we cannot possibly mention every one of them. What is important is that your needs, your context will dictate what kind of stance will you apply. For example, if you're a hunter, your stance will be completely different to someone that shoots precision handgun one-handed at 25 meters. And it will also be very different from someone that maybe competes in IPSC or other high-speed shooting sports. What has heavily defined my own shooting stance is that I do tactics and I use different weapon systems. And what I require is a stable platform that I can use in different kind of situations. So let's say that my target is over there. I want to be facing the target, not to be too much bladed towards it, but I also don't want to have the perfect isosceles, so my legs in the same axis, because from my experience, this makes you a bit unstable, especially if you're firing with firearms that have more recoil. So what I do to remedy that is move one of my legs more to the back. I am a right-handed shooter, so this is my primary hand and my right leg is my primary leg. I move it a bit back and that way achieve a more stable platform. I bend the knees to get a lower center of gravity and stand with the upright posture. With this kind of stable platform, I can do a lot of things. I can fight, I can use a tool, I can use a handgun or a long gun. I can start immediately moving to any direction, or I can take a quick knee, a squat, or I can start to dance around. In this configuration, this stance for me is perfect to shoot with a handgun. But for example, if I use something with more recoil, a rifle, I can easily adapt it, I don't have to change it, to work with this. So for example, if this would be a high recoiling weapon, what I can do, I just use my primary leg and move it a bit further back. If that's not enough, I can lower my gravity more, and even if that's not enough, I can lean into the rifle. This can solve all of the issues that you could have with recoil of the rifle. For shooting with a handgun, where strong recoil is not such a problem, I prefer a straight up posture with my head high, and I actually lift my hands and my gun to the eye level, and not the other way around. I don't have to put my head down, lift the shoulders. I just find this kind of my technique less strenuous and easier to do. Also, this way, I have more peripheral vision. I can react better to the stuff at the range, have faster transitions, and overall, this for me is a superior shooting stance. So what have we learned today? Well, there are no right or wrong answers. There are only a lot of different ways that you can stand while you're shooting. What is important is that your shooting stance gives you the best option to achieve your specific goal, whatever it may be. Thank you for watching and stay safe.